Hey guys, good morning. Today is September the 16th, which is a Wednesday. Make sure you click on there. Make sure that you also click on the side where you see grades and you check all the missing assignments. We're calling parents today. Grades are due this weekend for report cards, and hopefully everybody has a 70 or above in Skyward to be passing this weekend. Remember that I will give you extra credit for those of you who are trying really hard in my class. But remember that if you are missing anything, that's going to be a 0, and I cannot help you with that. So we're going to click on Wednesday. I started adding this to every day. You will just click on it and you will type whether you were present in school or you were present virtually from home. Just type it in the discussion. That's how I'm going to be taking attendance, but I will also be taking attendance based on whether you did the work for today, for that day or not. And also remember that those are actual grades that if you don't do it will become zeros. So today we will practice a quizzes for linear key features, which we learned yesterday. If you were not here yesterday, I would suggest go do the Edpuzzle so that you can learn about key features. If not, I mean, you learned it last year anyways, hopefully. Then you're going to take a little assessment just to see what you learned and what you didn't learn about linear key features. Okay, if you need extra practice, remember you can always go into optional resources, and always ask me questions. Do not be shy, because you may not be the only one who wants to know that question. There might be other students who have that same question, but they just don't want to ask it.